Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to delete the blank rows in a given database safely. So if you have one or two blank rows, you can just easily go to these rows, make a right click and then delete. However, this is a static solution for a dynamic problem if you have multiple blank rows in a database. So what you can do is you can use the first method, which is either press on F5 or Ctrl G to get the go to table. So before doing that, choose your whole database and then later on press on F5, go to special and then choose the blanks. This will help us to highlight the blank cells in this database. Now all you have to do is make a right click and then choose delete. And then it is going to ask us how the cells should react. If we choose Shift Cells Up, the remaining cells will go up. However, if we choose the entire row, it is also going to delete the data in this row as well. So choose Shift Cells Up and then you will be easily get rid of the blank cells. However, there's a disadvantage of this method because if you have partial blank cells in the rows, just like this, once you choose your database and then press on F5 and then choose blanks and then delete, Shift Cells Up, it is going to change the structure of your database because in here the rows are not blank, but in here it is. So there's a safer method to delete the blank rows in a database. All you have to do is choose your entire database and then from data add filter. It is crucial to choose your database before choosing your filter because otherwise you won't be able to see the blank section in the filter. Now all you have to do is deselect all and then choose only blanks from these filters. So once you make sure that every filter in here is set to blanks, now you can just easily select these cells and then delete the rows. Once you select all from the filters, now you can see that all the blank rows are gone and our partial blank row still remains in the database. I hope this video was helpful enough. Please don't forget to write your opinions and comments in the comment section and also subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.